Friends, welcome back to the Selenium tutorials. In this tutorial we would learn how to handle alert boxes using Selenium. It is very simple, so let's learn that taking an example. So here on this web form I have this button, and if I click this button without entering any of these values, it gives me an error. Please fill in the details before submitting. Now using Selenium, if I have to handle this and also if I have to capture this text, please fill in the details before submitting. We learn how to do these things. Now one thing we need to know is that whenever this kind of a pop-up comes, the focus should be shifted to this pop-up window from the web page. So we will shift the focus from the web page to this pop-up window, capture this text, and then click this OK and dismiss the button. So how to do all these steps using Selenium? So I'll go to my Eclipse editor. Here I have already written the steps to go to the website and click these two web elements to get that pop-up button. These things I have already done. So the next step is, when the pop-up comes, I need to capture the text and then click the OK button to dismiss it. So it goes like this. We have the obj object of the WebDriver. We'll use that object. We'll do obj dot switch. As I told, whenever pop-up window comes, we need to switch to that pop-up window, and since the pop-up is type of an alert box, we'll do switch to alert. Now our intention is to capture the text. So to capture the text, we'll do a get text. So now this line would capture the text on the alert box. In our case, the text is, please fill in the details before submitting. So this line of text should be captured by the get text code. So we'll try that. So what I'll do is, I'll just print this statement. I'll do a system.out.println. I will put this statement in the brackets. So we'll execute it and see whether this statement actually gives us the desired result, whether it prints the text as expected. And our next step would be to dismiss that alert. Now to do that, I will use the function dot accept. So obj dot switch to dot alert dot accept. Now since it was an OK button, as shown in the dialog over here, it is an OK button. So for clicking on an OK button, we have the method dot accept. If it would have been a cancel button, we have another method as dot dismiss. Since it is an OK button, we'll use accept. So these two statements, like system.out.println, this one will bring the it will print the message on the console, and this will actually accept and click on the OK button, and the alert would get handled. What I'll do is, I'll just write another statement here so that the execution is a bit slow, else we won't be able to see. It would get executed very quickly. So I just insert this thread.sleep. What thread.sleep does, it will just pause the execution so that we would be able to see the pop-up and Selenium handling the pop-up. So let's execute this and see whether we are handle pop-ups. So I click this green button over here. I do an OK. Now it will execute. In a while, it has launched the browser. It has brought this pop-up. and now it has clicked on OK, and we cannot see the pop-up now. Now let's check whether the message got printed on the console. If you would see, the message got printed on the console. I am just highlighting it. So in this way we could fetch the text from the alert boxes, as well as we could just do an accept or a dismiss to get rid of that alert box. It is very simple to do that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do watch my tutorials. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.